皆さんこんにちは、スティーブ的視点のスティーブです。日産グロリアですね。買ってすぐによく乗って車のイベントまで行ったり来たりっていろいろしていた後、しばらくこのままなんですよね。正直にこの車も大好きでかっこいい車だから気に入っちゃって、その時はもうすぐ買っちゃったものなんだけど、見た目的にはちょっと最初から違うイメージがあって、ちょっと書いてみたいな、改造してみたいなと思ってたところが、ありました。最初からまずは何より車高を落としたいです。そしてホイールも買いたいです。林レーシングのホイールのどの頃じゃなくて好きなんだけど、自分のイメージをしているイメージにはこのホイールはちょっと合わないので、ホイールが変わるのと車高がぐっと下がることです。簡単に下げられないこの車高ね、パーツもないことと、ある程度カスタムというかいろんなちょっと考えがないといけないので、アルに手伝ってもらうことになってます。アルさんに、のことを紹介します。What's up, Al?
What's up, man?
Thank you for coming by, my friend.
Absolutely, man.
I have this image of it, and I think it's all going to start with getting it lowered. Good news is I've already bought some lowering blocks. So I've got them here.
Perfect.
So why don't we get it up in the air?
We'll play with that,
Take a look and see, and then figure out what we're going to do in the front to make this thing a badass VIP-ish, original one-off type of. It's not a traditional VIP car, but I think we can make that kind of image here, a one-off kind of custom. What do you think?
I think so too.
It's about American Japanese mix. So I want to show you. Perhaps you could show everybody. Let's start with our blocks.
Start here.
So that's an American part going into a Japanese car. I also got myself something. I want to make this thing sound better. It's too quiet for me. I need sound. 音がないとね、つまんないので、I wanted to try something that maybe hasn't been done very much.
Vintage sound.
Vintage sound. Thrush is a glass pack muffler that since I was a kid, we were using these on classic cars. They were called cherry bombs sometimes. They were glass pack mufflers.
Yep.
Show everybody this brand now. I think Japanese people know Thrush. Thrush, vintage sound, today's power. I think on this car will make it sound a lot better. Plus removing some of the smog stuff. Agreed?
100%.
Yeah. And Al, last idea, grab that. I had this laying around, Al, from an old project right there. And you know, one way to make this car look really low is a front lip.
Yep.
And even though it's too small, can you kind of hold that up and show me what? Just like that, exactly. これがたまたまあって、すごいいい感じで、リップがない、探せないものなので、これでちょっと作ったらどうかって。You think we can come up with a way to maybe use that as a mold and create a nice lip for this car? A front shin spoiler?
Oh, yeah, it'd be a good base to start like a fiberglass piece out of it.
Alright. 後ろグロリアの下なんだけど、後ろはもうリーフスプリングですよね。今の考えはさっきの4インチのブロックをかまして、車高がまず後ろの車高が下がってくることなんですけど、最終的にはエアサスにしたいなと思っているので、上から落とすよりも低い状態からちょっと上げるような考え方になるのかな。この車用のエアサスとかエアバッグはアメリカにないので、考え方としてはまずブロックを入れることです。そして前の方がどうするかということですよね。ショックがあって、コイルもあって、この A アーム、コントロールアームは2つある。ウィッシュボーンサスペンションという感じなんで、エアバッグがどういうのがあるのか、エアにしたいなと思う。やっぱりこの車はぐっとこう、車高下げないと、自分のこう希望通りにはならないですよね。なのでエアサスにしたいなと思っています。Hey Al, all my friends who come and help here, they seem to appreciate going back to the days of the 70s where in the 80s where
hand tools.
When was the last time you've removed something like that with a ratchet?
Last time I was here.
一応ここまでばらして、みました、こっち側はまだなんだけど、こっちはもう完全にリーフスプリングまでばらして、いい考えがあります。
This is what sits in the differential, in the axle house. Common stuff is this much. It's like a tiny little stud that sticks out. So what we're going to have to do is drill this guy all the way through. Get rid of that.
Yep.
We're going to sandwich this with the lift spring all the way back to the bottom.
Okay. Now we're going to run a bolt all the way through this thing.
Yep.
We need a long bolt.
So we're basically going to sandwich the block
is going to be in there.
On this cushion.
Let's talk about the front.
Yeah.
前に来ると これはね、アメ車のまあ昔のシボレーのインパラみたいな感じなんだよね。This is the catalytic converter. This thing is going bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Later, buddy.
Bye-bye. Yeah, I bought a 2-inch inlet, 2-inch outlet, thrush, glass back. Oh, that looks like it's made to go somewhere like right there, huh?
Yeah, we can probably use this flange here.
Yeah, use that flange there, straight to here. I think I want this to be the combination of American sound, glass back, old classic car sound with a Japanese car. That's what Steve's POV is all about, right, Al?
Yes.
That right there. I ran these when I was a kid in high school. This is what I ran on my cars. So why not see what it sounds like on something like this?
Why not?
こういう感じになりますよね、大体。まあ、この間買ったブロック、R は少し改造したんで、ここからボルトが上まで通るので、今ちょっとかましてみたら、はるかにホイールの方が上がってきましたよね。特にこっちと比べると、このブロックのやり方ではどこまでまずいけるのかっていうことです。はい、こっちも入りました。こういう感じで、入れたんで、なかなかじゃないですか。Al, you got it, huh? All right.
Let's try this.
Al, you ready to set her down?
Let's do it.
Let's give it a try. Liquid Molly Lady's even ready. She looks excited. Wait. Ready, Al?
Yep. Keep going. Keep going.
Slowly. Open.
Ooh. It's on the lift.
Oh, yeah. It's on the lift now.
It'll go way lower.
We need to get blocks.
Yeah.
Take 2.
Let's go.
Oh my god.
Whoa. That's low.
That is pretty low, isn't it? I thought it would come back a little bit more. じゃあもう一度ショックを完全に外した状態で No shot. そしてここにもあったストッパーみたいなのはゴムの部分もあったの rubber one, right? Was there? You just removed that as well.
Yep.
Okay, here we go. Ready? Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go.
That's low.
It's pretty low, Al, huh? That's pretty low. すげえ. Well, that's... I don't think we'll be using this offset wheel
Nope.
Anymore. Oh my god.
No travel whatsoever, man. I think it's just bottoming out on the tire itself.
I think you're right. Oh yeah.
It's sitting on the tire.
It may be on the tire. Al, what's up, Al?
What's up, guys?
Let's show everybody what we got hooked up, what our plans brought us to.
This will essentially replace the spring.
Okay.
It'll go into here. We're gonna replace the shock. It's older, wore out.
Yep.
We're gonna get one that has none of that in here.
Yep.
This will go right through. It'll rest in here.
Yep.
Very self-explanatory.
You found this stuff and it wound up, you know, it's funny. So I contacted HKI Air and I wrote a message saying, hey, we're using this for a project. Could you get them over to me real quick? And he says, hey, we're a fan of the channel. Cool stuff, isn't it? You found a really
wild,
cool...
man.
Anyway, so we're looking, hopefully we're going to work with them for some more stuff for this project too.
Very cool setup. Very
Nice
simple.
さっそばらしました。バネを出したんで、ショックとバネが出ています。何もない状態で、このまま一回下ろしてみようか。Al, should we set this thing down once?
Yeah.
See what it does? Okay, let's see. どのぐらいいくんだろう。おおOh, it would go down further, wouldn't it, too? Wow. It's fairly low.
It looks good this high too.
It does look good sitting down like that,
It
doesn't
should
it?
be a cruising height.
I like that. But when we get to a car show height, it's going to be on the ground. こういう感じに下がりました。このぐらいが下がったんだけど、もうでも前のサスのそのストッパーに当たってるので、これ以上落ちないですね。What's up, Al?
What's up, man?
Thanks for coming back to help me, man, with this project.
Man, what are you doing?
All right, no, not much. You noticed a couple of new things here in the shop. Yeah, the Skyline is back since you've been here. The kid's coming back soon, so his car is here. And I think you need to see that. You know about the Toyota project, the Super project, right? Yeah. What do you think, Al?
Very nice, man.
Is that not going to look good on the Supra?
Oh yeah, what color is the car again?
Well, I didn't reveal that yet, so I'm going to have to show you. Nobody knows what the car is going to look like, but since you're my friend and you're here and you asked, I sent your phone right now. I sent you a picture. Rough.
Oh.
You get it?
Yes.
Oh, what do you think, man? You see there's some originality, huh?
Yes.
Yeah. You think people are going to like it?
See...
No!
This
no!
Is awesome. This is a cool render. I like this.
Yeah, man. Let's get back to the Gloria.
Let's go.
Yeah. All right. Did you throw one of those new wheels on back here?
Yes, I did. Check this out.
Let's see what it looks like. Am I going to like it? Does it give us the VIP look?
Yes.
Let's see. 1, 2. Oh, that is very, very VIP. That was the look. This car slammed with that wheel. And like I said, woo, it's close back here, huh? But we could space it even a hair.
Oh, we're gonna need a spacer.
We're gonna tuck tire though, aren't we? Back here. Wow, that looks kind of cool, man. I can see the look coming together. We can't put anything on front yet because the hub is too big. We got a little bit of machining to do up here. But the other big news of the day is, Al, our air project is not moving forward right now. Yeah, maybe time.
It's impossible. Hi.
Jeez. This has been a hard project, huh?
Yeah.
Nothing's really gone well at all.
No.
And even so, what we're about to do right now, get these Hayashis off of there and get those other wheels on, even that became a project, didn't it?
Yes, it did.
And we're not fully done with that either.
No.
Let's see what this car looks like, man. If at least the look is where we think it's going to be.
We'll keep it.
Eva, let's get down to go. Al, what's your thoughts? I can't turn the camera around quite yet.
Well, it's got your VIP look that you wanted.
Yeah.
There's a little bit more work to do, but I think we're getting there.
We're getting there. The look is there.
I think we're getting there.
3, 2, 1. Nice. I like the mesh look on this car, Al. Man, I really, really do. But look at that. Oh, これはかっこいいと思う。まだいろいろやらなきゃいけないことがあるんだけど、とりあえずこういう見た目はどうでしょうか。めちゃくちゃクールだと思う。Al, I'd love to drive it, but I know that's not possible just quite yet, is it? No, we got shocks to still figure out. We got rear, front. There's a bunch of stuff to still do.
Front and rear shocks.
And my front lip. I want my front lip.
Yes.
Man, but that looks pretty damn good.
That looks silly.
Thanks for your help, man. Appreciate you very much. Thanks a lot.
It's complicated but fun.
All right. Well, one of these days we're going to go and be able to drive it together too, I hope.
Yes.
Thumbs up, dude.